Hello everyone, Jean Kaneki here. Today we're going to look at the 8 amazing health benefits of cloves. So come along. Cloves are a versatile spice that adds flavor while also providing health benefits. They are high in antioxidants and may help regulate blood sugar, kill bacteria, and more. Cloves are the flower buds of the clove tree, an evergreen also known as Zygium aromaticum. Found in both whole and ground forms, this versatile spice can be used to season pot roast, add flavor to hot beverages, and bring a spicy warmth to cookies and cakes. You may know cloves as one of the main ingredients in gingerbread, baked goods, or staple spice in Indian cuisine. Now, on a personal level, my mom would always make Indian food, and cloves were an important part of that. Cloves are best known as a sweet and aromatic spice, but they have also been used in traditional medicine. In fact, research suggests that the compounds in cloves may have several health benefits, including supporting liver health and helping stabilize blood sugar levels. So in this video, we are gonna review some of the most impressive health benefits of eating cloves. But before we do that, I'd like to show you, I know most people know what clove looks like. This is a whole clove, and as you can see, it's very small and it looks like a little dried flower. So there. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in a spoonful of cloves. See? These are all whole cloves. Then I'm going to take a moment to show you the grounded cloves, which I ground myself in the coffee maker. So here's the grounded cloves. It almost looks like cinnamon, but it's a little darker, and oh, it smells so good. So number one, we're going to look at clove contains important nutrients. Cloves contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So using cloves whole or ground to add flavor to your food can provide some important nutrients. 1 teaspoon, which is 2 grams of cloves, contains 6 calories, 1 gram of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, 55% of the daily value of manganese, and vitamin K, 2% of the daily value. Now, vitamin K is not one that you hear about quite often. It's a fat-soluble vitamin found in foods and is marketed as a dietary supplement. It helps your bones stay healthy and helps your blood clot after injuries so they can heal. Manganese is an essential mineral for maintaining brain function and building strong bones. Apart from being a rich source of manganese, cloves are only used in small amounts and do not provide significant amount of nutrients. Number 2, cloves are high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to the development of chronic disease. Cloves also contain a compound called eugenol, which has been shown to act as a natural antioxidant. So, including cloves in your diet, along with other antioxidant-rich foods, can help improve your overall health. Number 3, cloves may improve liver health. In a recent study, they found that clove extract improved liver damage caused by toxic substances. In particular, the compound eugenol may be especially beneficial for the liver. Number 4, cloves may help protect against cancer. Some research suggests that clove oil might help protect against cancer. Specifically, eugenol has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. And the research also suggests eugenol promotes cell death in breast cancer cells. However, as stated earlier, eugenol is toxic in high amounts, and overdosing on clove oil may cause liver damage, especially in children. Number 5, cloves can kill bacteria. Cloves have been shown to have antimicrobial properties, meaning that they can help stop the growth of microorganisms like bacteria. What's more, in combination with regular brushing and proper oral health and hygiene, the antibacterial effects of cloves may even benefit your oral health. Number 6, cloves may help regulate blood sugar. The compounds found in cloves may help keep blood sugar under control. For example, in a recent study, it was found that people with and without prediabetes who took 250 milligrams of clove extract daily for 30 days showed significantly less blood glucose after meals. In another study, a compound found in cloves, which is nigrosin, was found to increase the uptake of sugar from the blood into cells, increase the secretion of insulin, and improve the function of cells that produce insulin. In combination with a balanced diet, cloves may help keep your blood sugar levels in check. Number 7, cloves may promote bone health. Low bone mass is a condition that affects an estimated 43 million Americans, according to the most recent study. It can lead to the development of osteoporosis, which may increase the risk of breaks and fractures. Eugenol may help improve bone mass. In addition, cloves contain manganese, which is involved in the formation of bone and is incredibly important to bone health. Number 8, cloves may reduce stomach ulcers. Some research indicates that eugenol could help treat stomach ulcers. Also known as peptic ulcers, stomach ulcers are painful sores that form in the lining of the stomach or the esophagus. Research also suggests that clove oil may also have an effect against H. pylori, which is a bacteria that can trigger stomach problems such as ulcers and even cancer. So I was asked, what are the side effects of cloves? Now, here are a few things to keep in mind. Eating small amounts is not likely to cause you harm. In fact, the FDA has approved clove buds and clove oil as generally recognized as safe. Safe for use as an additive in food. That said, there isn't enough evidence on the effect of ingesting clove in large amounts, especially for people who are pregnant and nursing. So stay on the safe side and stick to the amount recommended in the recipe. Ingestion of clove oil. While both clove and clove oil contain eugenol, the compound is in much higher concentrations when clove is distilled into oil. For this reason, clove oil is unsafe to take by mouth, especially for children. Even small amounts of clove oil can cause severe side effects such as seizures or liver damage and fluid imbalances. It may lead to bleeding in people with bleeding disorders or during pregnancy. Clove oil or cream from clove flowers is generally safe. It's safe for skin applications. However, using clove oil on the gums can lead to irritation. Another question I had is about drug interactions. Be careful if you're taking any medications to manage blood clotting or manage your blood sugar, such as for diabetes, as the eugenol and cloves may interfere with these drugs. I was asked, what's the best way to take cloves? When it comes to clove oil, the National Association of Holistic Aromatherapy suggests that using a spray or a diffuser, mix 10 to 15 drops per ounce of water. As a topical treatment, mix 10 to 15 drops into a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and to use less if you have sensitive skin. As with many healthy foods, cloves are most effective when including as part of a healthy and balanced diet. Try integrating a few servings of cloves per week into your meals. You can easily incorporate ground cloves into many dishes. They'll bring a warm, distinctive flavor to desserts, curries, and chutneys. Here is a few examples for using cloves. You can use it in breaded lamb chops with spiced red cabbage. It can also be used in chorizo and brandy chicken. It can be used in pumpkin soup. Sweet corn fritters with homemade ketchup. And I like this one, the mulled wine baked fruit. Another question I had is, what are the benefits of boiling and drinking cloves? Well, another way to consume clove is to simmer whole cloves in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea, to make a soothing cup of clove tea. Cloves have also been traditionally used to relieve nausea and to help reduce symptoms of respiratory infections or asthma. To recap, the clove tree produces small flower buds that are commonly known as cloves. These buds can be found in whole or ground form and can be used in a variety of ways in your cooking. While they are most famous for their sweet and fragrant taste, cloves have also been utilized in traditional medicinal practices. Cloves may have various potential health benefits, including keeping blood sugar in check and helping block the growth of bacteria. And there you have it, folks. All the wonderful benefits of cloves. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.